Hi, my name is Yrene Navarro and I work at the circulation desk at the Palm Springs Public Library. And I'm very pleased to show you how to decorate the house for Halloween. Some ideas. These are some items that you are going to need. Empty bottles. I have been saving bottles, different shapes, different colors. And then I have been saving as well some of the corks, the tops of the bottles. You will need some coloring food, different colors, so you can do different variety of colors for the bottles. Then you need the glue gun, glue sticks, a little brush, just to press the label. Glue, some highlighters, and we do have as well some labels for you that we are going to provide you. All you have to do is go on the website and click on the link. We are going to provide you with some little things for you to decorate these items at home. The labels, and we have laces, and some pictures to put on, spiders, snakes, corks. Just give us a call to set up an appointment and come and get your little kit to decorate your bottles. So this is the way you start. First, you clean up the bottles at home the night before. You can either soak them in water overnight, and then you just scrub, and the label goes away. Then you can start decorating with some lace, or with some other things that you might have around the house, stuff like that. Just keep rolling up. Make a knot, a little bow, and we cut the ends. This one has water. You wonder how we made these colors? I use either the coloring food or I use some of the highlighters. This one I just put a yellow one. All you have to do is open up the highlighter, open up the bottle, and pull the little sticks inside, and then you will see magic. This one I did add some blue food coloring and then shake it. I love the beautiful blue, and then I added some cooking oil. Shake it again, and you have like your lava at home. So let's see. This is going to come back orange in a few minutes, like this one. And this, remember, this is the highlighter. The next step is just to add the labels. You can select any of the ones that you have gotten. You're going to get like 15 in the kit. Don't forget to give us a call. This is a fun activity to do at home with the children now that they are home. These moments they will never forget. Unfortunately, these are difficult times, but all this adds magic to our lives. Just glue the little label any way you want it. Just press a little so it doesn't build up any bubbles. And you add a little ribbon on the side. You can decorate the entrance door, you can decorate the table, let the kids have some fun. They become creative as well. The adults. Let's make one little knot there, not too long. Then you can, with the glue gun, you can add the creatures, spiders, like that. Takes a little bit to dry. You can add some scorpions as well. different bottles. It is a simple activity to do at home, but it takes a little time sometimes because the more you do, the more you want to make it different. And this is what you can create at home for Halloween. Enjoy the family. Don't forget to give us a call or just click on our website and set up an appointment to pick up your kit. Enjoy the holiday. Happy Halloween.